Hello, everyone. My name is Artem Shevelov. It's a BlackStone Bitcoin talk. Today is 28 March, and I'm with Phoenix Trader and Bitcoin Wizard Mike. We're going to show you how we trade altcoins, how we trade Bitcoin, and what we think about the crypto. And I think altcoin season is just starting, guys. Say hi to people. And what do you think? ALTseason is started, or it is a fake pumps before the next move down? Phoenix? Guys just connected, so maybe something they missed. Anyway, hi everybody who watching us. If you're watching us from, I think you're watching us from different countries around the world, so let us know where are you watching us. Just type in the chat room, where are you from, what city, and what time is it in your city. Just let us know where are you from and where you are watching us. Okay, guys, Phoenix and Mike, hello.
Hello,
Hello.
bro. How are you? Good?
Yeah,
Hello, all. I hope all good. My English now very it is
it
worse.
is better, much better.
No, it is
Anyway.
Okay. Not a problem. I hope I can reach others what I want to say.
Sure. Phoenix, what do you think about the market? Do you think altcoin season is just started, or it is a fake moves around the market? What do you think?
I don't think it started still. It need we still maybe next week see more pump for some altcoin, but after that we need back to all the supports or old law which we saw before before 2 months, and after that maybe in August and September we receive the big season for alts.
Okay.
But now market look can't trust with this market. I will be honest. Bitcoin it is in at resistance, and we don't know when will go down and make all market go down with him, because many altcoin reached resistance. Some of them broke out and make good profits, but for me, I follow up many altcoins, but when I saw break out, I can't trust alt. But I noticed when there is any news, altcoin ready for make big move. So when see any news, we can join fast and exit fast.
Sure.
Take our fast some profit and okay.
Okay, thank you. Mike, did you connect it to us? Is your voice working? Okay, Mike still set up here his microphone. Okay. Anyway, okay, let's start from the BTC chart and check this chart. I check a chart from different time frames, and I found some mixed structures, some mixed signals that is going on from Bitcoin right now, and we check it them in our chat room in a BlackStone chat in Telegram. If you're not subscribed to them, follow the description and you can find the link. Anyway, there is a lot of people watching us from different countries around the world, even from Africa, USA, Eastern Europe. Wow, nice. Is somebody from Asia here? Okay, for BTC, I think that on the monthly chart, let me switch to monthly chart.
Okay, I fix it.
Oh, yeah, hello. Anyway, we already started with BTC, so I'm going to continue. I will ask you a question for you after this, okay? Well, BTC monthly chart is a really important chart for me. I think a lot of experienced traders looking through the monthly chart as well. And what did I found? Well, in one of our live streams in 28 February, we found that price on monthly chart have bullish engulfing. I noticed it here. You can check it. This is bullish engulfing here. So this candlestick is way bigger than the previous one and totally engulfed it. Okay. So this is bullish engulfing, and it is valid signal. The next candlestick, which appears in the March, and March will end in the next few days, and this candlestick looks like inside bar. What is inside bar? Usually inside bar is a continuation candlestick model, which is forming in a trend. But right now, looks like we don't have a trend, right? But we have a bullish engulfing, which may be a reversal candlestick model. And after this reversal model, we have another bullish continuation model inside bar. So to prove that inside bar are really working, we can go to the 2017 and check a few candlesticks from, well, let's check from weekly chart, and we will find some inside bar candlesticks that will show you that the market is moving in a same trend than before. Look at this candlestick. It is inside bar for this candlestick, and this is bullish continuation pattern, right? So, and this candlestick, it's an inside bar for this one, and again, continuation of the trend. So inside bars are really important too in your trading. If you're gonna trade swing trades like we do, and you need to know that what is continuation patterns, like triangles, like flags, and other stuff. You need to know that candlesticks also have a real strong patterns, and inside bar is one of the really strong, at least for me, it's a strong pattern and model. So back to the monthly chart, we have a monthly inside bar to this bullish engulfing candlestick model. So it is like a 60% that we are bullish on monthly chart. This is what I'm thinking about the BTC. Of course, we have something that could resist us to make any bullish breakouts. And one of them is a resistance line from 2018. I will switch to daily chart to show you this resistance line better, because this resistance line show us Mike on the previous live streams, and I agree with this resistance line because we are traders who trade with a trend, right? So we don't try to trade against the trend, right? So we are trading with this, and this resistance line is pretty strong. It have a lot of touches in 2018, and every touch of this trend line, the price just making reversal. So again, these days we having a situation where we are right in front of this resistance line. Of course, we have, maybe some of us, you know that we have linear scale and logarithmic scale, right? So in a logarithmic scale, we will have another resistance line, pretty similar to this, but on the different, it will have different timing. So it will like have a timing in May or even in June, something like this. I will show you after this. So anyway, right now we are right in the front of this resistance line, and this is strong resistance line, and most of the traders tracking this resistance to make entry or either long or short. So And most of the traders who following our BlackStone margin channel and who following Mike channel know already that he is in a short position, right? Mike, do you in a short position here?
Yeah.
Yeah. So yes, and this resistance line is a really strong for swing traders. So I think this is a major problem for next few days for those people who holding BTC, because most of the people will try to short it. And I have here on the chart, I will try to make it bolder. Let me just switch it.
Yeah, I just wanted to say something.
Yeah.
Because you just said that I'm in a short position. Just to make sure that I have, just that I have a liquidation price around $6,000, and
yeah,
I do not care about a small move, because you might be in a short position scalping and your liquidation is pretty close and you can get liquidated. So just be aware of that.
Don't oversize your position in such conditions. Anyway, we have a lot of coins that already broke similar trend line, like NEO did, like Litecoin did break out from the similar trend line. So we should be really careful, because if the market are bullish, then we need to be ready to take some stop losses, but not liquidation. As Mike said, you need to have liquidation really, really high, like around 6K. Yeah, you're right. So another thing that could prove or to prove the bullishness of the price, or vice versa, to prove that we are in the bear phase, it's moving averages. Look, I have moving average on daily chart, which is 9, and moving average 30. So this is a really important moving averages, which if they are crossing down or they crossing up, it makes a really good trading signal. So if it cross up, more commonly it means that the trend is going up, and when it crossing down, it means vice versa. It means that the price and the trend is going down. But in a sideways, they are crossing few times, and this is really important step for the market. We see right now first crossover, second, third one, but we don't have the fourth one. If we're gonna break, if we're gonna rebound from this resistance and moving average will cross down, I think this will be a confirmation, at least for me, to sell some Bitcoins right now. I still waiting for this chance. I still waiting for this signal. I set up some alarms here in trading queue. You can set up them as well. It is really easy. You just click set alert. You just using moving average 9, crossing, moving average 30, once per bar, and notify everywhere that you want to. You just make sure that you understand what is this alert for, like sell BTC fucking now, something like this. Anyway, so you be sure that you know what is alert for, something like this. And yeah, you can set up vice versa signal for buy as well, like a 9 to crossing over 30 in up, and you will get another signal for this. So it is easy to track them. Again, if we're going to rebound from this resistance, we're probably going to reach support range. This support range is formed within a few months. It is from December 2018, then January, and small February. The support range of 3600 on BitFinex or 3500 on BitMAX and other USD exchanges. So this is a real strong support range where we have a rising support, where we have levels, 3,500, 3,400, even 3,300 are really interesting and really good levels where price could stop, could stop for some period to make sure that we are going in the right direction, right? And if we're going to check 2017, we have a lot of levels again here between 4,400 and down to 3,100 something. So yeah, this is basic support range where the price could rebound or make sideways action. So for me, if I'm going to sell BTC at this point, if I got a sell signal from moving averages, I will sell some BTCs and I will pick up them back in this support range until I get another signal to sell or another signal to buy more, something like this. And yes, I don't use on this point, I don't use all of my position. I just using small portion. If I'm trading on Binance, I can short BTC, but I can move my funds in a safe place, like in USD. So I'm moving them in USD, but I don't move all position because I'm trading against BTC. I'm trying to increase BTC position. So in this case, I don't sell everything. I just keep something. For those who trading for USD, who trying to increase USD, your performance in USD, you need to, if you have some BTC, you have to sell some to move to USD, to your initial capital. And then, again, in the support range, you have to rebuy some. Again, not all of your position, just small, not all of your deposits or just small position, to make sure that you are making the right things, like at 20% or 10% of your account size. So this is really matters for traders in spot markets, like a Binance, like what else, BitMAX and other exchanges who doesn't have margin. For margin traders, again, the support range is a really interesting range to take some profits, to take some scalp profits and enter some, again, short-term scalps in the long, because here we can have some rebound. And scalpers really matters the move of $100 or something. They are this support range is opportunity to take short-term long setup. Okay, guys. I have a question for Mike, which we had on a start for Phoenix. Mike, do you think altcoin season is just started, or it's a fake move from the market to fool the people, to make more money from new traders and the rest of them?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, we discussed this in last streaming. I said that I believe some of the altcoins already bottom, and they're doing, they did a pretty good move, and it's time to them for a correction. And this correction will come with the Bitcoin move to the downside. It's going to drag everything down. So I don't think it's starting. I think it started a few weeks ago already. And yeah, that's it. Like I'm pretty much bearish in all the coins.
Okay, thank you. Okay, let me check some questions what we have from our chat. Okay, a lot of people from different countries. Welcome from Silicon Valley and other CoinMarketCap. Open MarketCap. What the hell is this? Artem, can you please check BitMAX? It looks it's next BNB. Well, there is a lot of hype around BitMAX. I don't know what the hell is this. I didn't research this. What is BitMAX? Who knows?
Yeah, it's just a new
BitMAX,
exchange.
it is okay. Let Mike if have some ideas about it, then I can talk.
Yeah, talk about it. You probably know more than me.
BitMAX, I checked it. The special thing on BitMAX exchange, it provide many altcoin to short and long it, trading it with margin.
Okay, so it's just a copy of BitMAX, right?
So it take many people follow up it and want to join this new exchange. It
Yeah, I
may
actually have an
take,
account.
my problem with this exchange when I registration on it, it is very slow. So I let it. I didn't follow up it more.
I can
But
change
next,
the language here. This is stupid.
oh, you can change.
I can
Second
change.
one up. One of them you can change to English.
Fuck it.
One of up.
Yeah,
I
I've seen
forget it.
people talk to me about this exchange. I open an account and send a little money to try, just because I don't trust too much these unregulated exchanges, so I don't put too much money in it. But I just want to say, like, people gotta be careful with the altcoins because some of them they have very strange move, right? Sometimes Bitcoin drops, and when it's
And okay,
this coin
other
pumps a
problem,
lot.
it is very low volume.
Low, more volume.
You know what, guys?
Low
I think
volume.
this is another scam exchange that allows you to short or long altcoins where the market makers just fuck you in the ass. Easy.
Yeah, I think they're obviously a BitMAX competition. They probably are going to do good and not too much manipulation at the beginning, so people can join, right?
So this is exchange from BitMAX, or I'm missing something.
No. It's just
It is not related to BitMAX,
No,
right?
no, no,
it's a
no.
competition.
Other this other problem, they used name near from BitMEX to
Yeah.
attract more people. So I
think so.
didn't trust it a lot. So I avoided it.
Yeah, they look like scam. I even can change the language here, so it is a scam.
Yeah, you can. It's just that you don't know.
Yeah, no, I know how to change. I see the, I understand what is going on.
I don't think it's a scam, but it's unregulated and it's very risky, very, very
No,
risky.
I know something on Chinese, so I know what this hell is this. I know what this bottom is talking about.
Is that Chinese or Taiwanese?
I don't know. Is that? Oh yeah, I can change. Okay, guys, not scam. Okay. Anyway, okay, I finally changed it to English.
I don't know. It has some weird features about like mining and stuff, but I don't really care too much about it.
How to log in? Wow, with a phone, with me. All right. I don't really like how it's working. Okay. I didn't try it, so I don't want to try it. Maybe later. Okay, going back to our who watching us, what we have some questions maybe. Let me check. Okay, well, we had to check BitMAX chart. Let me check BitMAX token chart, and let me see what is going on, what is represent. Maybe it's another BNB. Fuck. All right, BTMX, right? BitMAX token. Okay, let's check with Bitcoin, and after we will check. Wow, shit. And we will check with USD as well. All right, it is really overhyped. Yeah, this is shit. Why I didn't know about this? All right. Well, It is really high. I don't think that it will pump more. Maybe it will stuck in this distribution phase somewhere in this area. Like I don't know, in some way of triangle or something, like Stellar Lumen or I don't know, or ADA. You know, if you're going to compare with ADA, for instance, not here, yeah, here. ADA. If you're going to compare with ADA, it looks pretty similar for me. So look at this top of ADA and compare it with BitMAX. It's pretty similar. They look somehow something similar. Different chart, different time frame, but it is pretty similar setup here. So, well, I think it will probably retest this resistance, previous resistance on 24, 25, maybe higher 29, something like this. But it needs time. I think it will make move until start of the April, and after in the middle of April, it will probably start falling down. Or we will have another bullish pattern. But right now there is no bullish pattern. There is only one top and nothing more. And you can check the hypodermic distribution here. Look at this. This is hypodermic distribution. So we have acceleration here and breakdown. So, and this is making me think that makes me think that it will probably drop. So yeah. Okay. Okay, need to check HUOBI coin as well, right? Because HUOBI made a similar step like Binance do. They have their own launchpad. They have similar exchange, initial exchange offering like Binance have, like BitMAX have. So we're going to check HUOBI token as well. What about HUOBI? Maybe for our chart. Yeah, it's pretty similar. Again, this resistance. And the support here, oh, not broken yet. Yeah, it's really risky to enter in such levels. I don't know the people who enter in on these levels, but it is really high. Look at this. Wow. Already have a bearish divergence, so HUOBI token is not really good to enter. Maybe it's a deep, but not for a long time, you know. Guys, what do you think? Phoenix?
So far, that bearish divergence, it's also a hidden bullish divergence because the RSI, can you make a channel on the RSI?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, about, you know, on the bottom, like a parallel channel to that one. Correct. Okay, and can you put a little bit more zoom on into the chart on the price, because it's like to, you know.
Oh, yeah.
Better. Yeah. So and on cryptocurrencies, I'm sorry, divergence, tend to execute the second top, right? Under traditional markets, I found that it's more usual. They're more, it takes 3 picks. I mean, three touches on the RSI and the price, but usually for crypto it's 2. In this case, I'm not saying of course it's very risky I'm not recommending to buy this, but I'm saying that it could pump one more time because as you see the parallel channel that you draw, it's the RSI is making a lower low and the price is making a higher low. That means it's a hidden bullish divergence. And
yeah, this is hidden. Yeah, I agree with this.
And it's kind of difficult to say because hidden bullish and regular bearish are kind of this, the same. It happens like at the same time, and you really have to know how to read the divergence. So in this case, you could do one more wave up to the previous highs and double top, like what number is that? Like 0.00763 or 800. It could. And that last impulse tends to be a pretty strong. In this case, I don't know if you can short that. I don't like to short altcoins because low volume and it's too much manipulation. But if you hold in some, you could sell now and then leave some for another peak higher and then sell all, because the third peak on the RSI for sure is going to drop. The third peak on when it forms the divergence is going to drop hard. It's going to change the trend.
Yeah, I agree with this. So yeah, this is probably a strategy for HUOBI token. If you're looking for any strategy to trade HUOBI token, we just describe it. And so yeah, this is the basic. I think nothing to add here. Look at this trend lines.
Check out the previous the other parallel channel you draw in the RSI and that move.
Yeah, I see.
Friends,
count the tops.
The third top. Hello. We saw many altcoins. They go parabolic. So maybe we see other chance to make a leg up, depending on situation of market.
You know what? I agree with this, that it could be a parabolic, but it's already parabolic as well. Look at the previous move. I highlighted with a purple trend, and look at the current move.
Can you check out? Do something. Just make a diagonal line from the previous top.
Yeah, sure.
And unify that previous 2 tops with the third one. Well, not parallel, but that's okay. I just said like a regular trend line. Can you go to the 4-hour chart?
Let me check again.
Shit, what happened?
Blocks. Yeah.
Can I see the stochastic RSI?
Sure.
That's 4 hours. Hold on, I don't see very well. 1, 2, 2. Yeah, no, I wouldn't buy this thing. Could do one more pump, but I wouldn't buy that. On the previous on the daily chart, on the previous example, what happened was the third peak on the RSI was the convergence. I mean, the first peak on the RSI and the second peak is the divergence, because it's going, the RSI is going like this, and the RSI is going down and the price is going up. And the third peak, if you go to the daily chart, you see the third peak on the parallel channel on the RSI. I mean, in the previous example, not this one.
Yeah.
You see the third peak is the convergence, because the price, it's doing another pump. It's not going higher. And the RSI is actually not going higher either, right?
I think
So
will be the same move. I think that price will just make another like this pump and jump. So
yeah, so not good to buy. If you have, sell some, and you can keep some. If it breaks that level, the red line, just get out of that. But it might do one more pump and then die.
Yeah, sure.
Not good for long term. Forget about that.
Exactly.
Like you can. It could be good, but you will have another buying opportunity, much better than this one.
I agree. Okay, let's go next. Guys, what do you think about other big coins? We need to check maybe Litecoin or something, or maybe Ethereum. What is going on with it? Yeah, Ethereum. Ethereum USD price looks guys, what we checked on the previous live stream, it's just similar TA. I didn't move anything. So what we have right now, we have a breakout from support line, sorry, from support line here and retest. Looks like retest, at least for now. So what is next move? I expecting the similar that to BTC, that we could move lower and probably make some rebound like on BTC on 3,300, 3,500. So it is similar to BTC. And the bigger view here, we can check ascending triangle. It is really ascending triangle, and we didn't touch it, the support of it. Maybe we will touch it very soon. And again, the best short entry is probably near 150, 160, and scalping entries here 130, 120 or something, and again probably go down because we have ascending triangle, which is a common continuation pattern. So yeah, I don't think that people right now trading Ethereum because it's not really volatile, and Ethereum doesn't have a lot of attention right now. Maybe we will check something else. Oh, Ethereum BTC. Ethereum BTC right now at the support line. And Ethereum BTC here can make a rebound maybe to the upside, maybe just sideways, or even break down this line. But we have a lot of supports here. So Ethereum is more like stable for a period. Binance Coin. What is Binance Coin? It's a daily chart on BTC, Binance BTC. It looks stuck. Let me check Binance USD chart. Oh, shit. Okay, Binance Coin just don't want to load. Way overpriced. That's why. Okay. Yeah, it is already making bearish divergences here. This is already third bearish divergence here. You can check it.
Actually, the second peak looks, well, yeah, you kind of.
It is on a pretty similar level, so this is.
Yeah, you know, when I see this kind of divergence that are like double top, I always wait. Actually, the second peak is higher
A bit higher, yeah, I see already.
A bit higher, so it's not too clear. When that happens, I usually wait for a third one because it comes, and that's like one more pump.
Yeah, maybe. Anyway, we have what we have. We have this. We have this. I think last Fibonacci 2.6 around 00.004950 something. So it is not worth to make any buys here. It is really, I don't know. It is not really interesting to enter on such peaks. It is stupid. BNB USD looks more like more profitable, but yet again, don't make any move here. That this didn't make a move to $10 or something that we expected, but is already making a bearish divergence here. Maybe it will make another peak or something. 70 already reached it, trying to break out. If the price will break out from $70, this will mean that we have what we have, another resistance, 22, 29, 21, something like this, 22. So yeah, we noticed that on the previous live stream. So it is similar TA for Binance Coin, right? Okay, guys in the chat asking about KuCoin token. Let me check it. Can't see. Oh no, I can't see. What is it? KuCoin KC KuCoin Shares. What the hell is this? I never check it. Kin. What the hell is Kin? No, Kin is not a KuCoin. Anyway, KuCoin, either KuCoin have a similar launchpad. Well, the KuCoin price is pretty interesting. Nice, really nice. All of these exchanges token, they are pump it a lot. And I think exchanges have a lot of power to make them pump. So what about KuCoin token? It's maybe it's not KuCoin.
Yeah, I don't think it's done yet.
Yeah, not done. Shit. So yeah, we have here resistance 530. Again, resistance somewhere here. Maybe weekly chart is better. Yeah, much better. Supports here. Here. It is pretty tight, but a lot of profits can do here. So if you're trading on KuCoin, it is a nice opportunity to take any trades inside the range of what range? 273. Anything under it is good. And if the price will make a rebound from this level of 300, then it will make another pump maybe to 460, and with a small probability to make forward to reach 530. And if the price will reach another 280, it is another opportunity to take trade to reach 450. So this is my strategy for KuCoin. I don't trade on KuCoin. I hold some shit coins on them, like for $100, but I don't trade on KuCoin. Okay. Everybody's want to check Kin. What the hell is Kin? Kin. Nice. Wow, this is really good opportunity to take in. If you're watching this, go take some kin. I don't know what's going on with the price here. What the hell is with the price? Oh yeah, nice. Okay, it is really cheap, and there is a lot of levels. Let me check quickly to make you really interesting levels here. 1, 2, and the 3, something like this one. Wow, this thing is awesome. Yeah. On a daily chart, what's going on? This is actually a rebuy. How to buy this shit? I want to enter. No, really. Who knows?
When for kin, when they make eco, I wanted to share it eco. EOC.
You can draw like a horizontal one on top, and it's just retesting.
It is very.
I think it's,
for long term, I think it is good the coin.
How to buy it, guys? Right now, I need to know.
Buy and hold and forget.
Where to buy? Let me know where to buy.
1 Satoshi, less than 1 Satoshi.
you can do a horizontal line on top.
Where?
Of that one that you.
Yeah. I see. Yeah, this one. This is retesting. Yeah.
Yeah, just a retest.
Awesome.
Yeah, it's good to buy. I don't know what it is, but the chart is good.
Chart just amazing chart. Okay, who know how to buy kin? PM me, send message to Telegram for me how to buy it. I will buy something. Some people will think that we're making some commercials here, but not. This is not commercial. I just checked the chart. Chart is great. It's a really nice chart. I really love to see these charts on the coins, and this is good, profitable opportunity to everybody. So, yeah, I will look to the how to buy it,
bro.
Yeah,
I need to leave in 5 minutes.
Hey, do you have something to say about trades about BTC?
Well, you already talked about Bitcoin. Pretty much similar. I don't know. I want to do a quick review or something about the same thing.
Maybe Litecoin. Is something changed since last?
Nah, not really. Yeah, so linear chart, we have 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
Since the beginning of 2018, right? A year ago, more than a year ago. So I think my thoughts are that this thing is going to drop here, and we're going to get another touch and maybe a bounce here. Also, if we check the 4 hour, we have this rising support that, they tend to break really ugly. The only thing is that we haven't finished a divergence here, so there is a probability of going to this level and then break it. Horrible. Or it could fail, but I think that's very likely, like maybe a little higher to it's 4,100 almost, and it would finish this divergence. That's not a long signal, by the way, because we are almost like hitting the resistance here. So if I am wrong on this one, I'm holding shorts. I'm not like scalping this thing. I just have my liquidation pretty high, and I don't care if it goes a little higher. I just add more. But if this is wrong, now I just put the logarithmic chart on. So we take out this line, and we add the new one, which seems to make a little bit more sense now, right? especially on the support. So this is the the second scenario. Both are bearish. It's just that one will go a little bit higher, which is 4,600, right? And it will complete bearish divergence on the RSI or even on the stochastic RSI, because I see it's pointing up, right? So people might be confused because it's breaking the linear scale and they think it's like a bull run or something. But it's actually doing something like this. And, you know, I like divergence because they tell you when the trend is going to change, and then you make another high, and then everybody's bullish, and this thing goes to 4,600 and it's going to drop horrible.
Yeah, everybody's starting to saying when they pop in it, organic growth. Yeah, guys, we are finally bullish. And when it's hard to drop, it's everybody yelling, manipulation, whales manipulate the market, something like this. So yeah, we need to focus on the linear scale and logarithmic as well, so to make any good decisions here. So everybody who watching us, please be sure that you already know how to trade in each of this situation. Okay, Mike, continue. Thank you.
No, I'm done with this. This is both scenarios. The max high will be 4,600 if I'm wrong with the linear scale. And that's it. How to trade it? Well, just keep your liquidation price at least 5,500 and just add more and have a budget for each level and just hold and wait. You know, be patient. It's gonna take a couple of months to get to 1,800. Yeah, maybe for June or something like April, May or June. Yeah.
Okay, great. Thank you very much. Okay. I want to say thank you to everybody who said where we can buy some kin. Thank you for taking this. Okay. Thank you, Mike, for attending us today. Your review was really helpful, and we'll continue from altcoins as well.
All right, guys. Have a nice day. Take care. Well, a good night because it's pretty late over there.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye, bro.
All right. I will continue. And what I want to say before I'm starting to check in altcoins that you asking in our chat, there is a lot of actually requests for the altcoins. Wow, there's a lot. And I want to say a few words about market capitalization because it's important to update the previous review on the market capitalization, what I did in, I don't remember, maybe in January or in the start of February. So I just want to make a short update on this. So crypto capitalization, I compare it to 2014, 2015 with a current move. And I found some similarities, but it doesn't have to be same on this year. So we just waiting and waiting for some confirmations. What I did said on the first review of this market capitalization that this green ellipse and this green ellipse, they on 2015 we had a higher high on this ellipse. Look at this. The price is just made a higher high to this one. Let me make it bolder. Yeah. So it's a higher high to this one. And in 2019, looks like we still didn't break the previous high, but we definitely make a higher high than the closing prices on these charts. Well, how to how to act for this, I don't really know, because it is not really usual, and we need to focus on next move. You can see on next move is probably, most probably, that is downward move. So you need to be focused on this, because it is opportunity to take entries in long term all across the market, altcoins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other stuff. So for Bitcoin and for Ethereum, this move can make another low, because it's about 40% down or something, 36-38% down. It is a really big loss for market capitalization. So that's why it could be a big move for BTC, because a lot of people holding BTC. So if they will sell it, like 40% of people will sell, it will make a huge dump. So we following BTC price, and we're following BTC trend lines here on daily chart. What we shared just a few minutes ago, what I shared at the start of this live stream, and what shared Mike just now, and we're looking for this resistance lines. And for market capitalization, I tracking this move, because it's really important to have some confirmations from the market. And total capitalization chart, it's a confirmation chart for me. Okay. So yeah, this was update for market capitalization, and let's go forward. Let me check some interesting stuff, what going on the market. Let's check CELER, price of the CELER, right? Because it's really interesting to check CELER. I didn't check the price before. It's first time when I'm checking this chart. By the way, Phoenix, do you with us?
Yes, I am with you.
Yeah, great. What do you think about CELER?
Not clear. Can't no chart, no history, but I think may go down to EOC price.
Look at this pennant.
So if want buy, better buy at under 300 Satoshi.
Yeah, you know, this is good advice for long-term traders. I think, yeah, I totally agree with this. For short-term traders, I open it 30 minutes chart, and I see few opportunities here. Maybe it's a bullish pennant, and we will see a nice breakout to the upside. If we're going to see a breakout to the upside, we will have opportunity to take profits like 10% or something. I measured the height of this ascending triangle and put it to the upside. So it is about 11% profits. But what I don't like about this chart, it's a bearish divergence here. I really don't like how it looks like. And sometimes ascending triangles, they are sometimes distribution phases. So I shared today in our chat room about distribution phases, and sometimes after ascending triangle, it makes breakdown. So like Phoenix said, really good entry is about 300 or something, and maybe it will make a small pump here, and after that it will make another pattern or something. So manage your risk here. If you want to trade CELER, you have opportunity for if price breakout from 590, you will opportunity to take trade and sell at 660, 650 something. This is the targets for this move. And if price will break down, don't get upset, just buy lower, really low, maybe new low will show up and make another bullish divergence or something like this. if it's gonna make another move down, you will have a big bullish divergence. Okay, so this is seller. This is seller strategy. Okay. Okay, Felix have a question. Hello, brothers. Hello, Felix. You did not check those coins for me, REN, NG, VIP, and the AVX. Yes, Felix, we didn't check them. We will check it after a few minutes. So let me check.
For most of them, ENG and VIP and PIVX, they so big pump and better search other coins. But
Yeah,
we
sure.
can take a look at them.
Okay, I will start from the beginning of our chat. And as I see, the first coin which was requested was from Earn Free. Talk about SNT. SNT coin, we will check SNT right now. I have already a TA for it. It is really nice opportunity. I holding SNT for a few days. I bought in this dip, and I noticed that the chart is looking really strong. I noticed it SNT way long time before, maybe in February or even I don't remember when exactly, maybe even in January. But I want to have a confirmation, you know. And what I see here really scary and not so perfect inverted head and shoulders. But anyway, this is head and shoulders. So I'm thinking to hold it for midterm. You know, what about RSI? RSI is good. Right now, RSI is really nice. And the price, look at this support range. The price is hit at 500, hold really well, making higher low, making higher high. It is really nice to see this price way ahead of 700, 800, 1000 or something. Even higher it could go. I have a lot of levels for holding here. 100, oh, I'm sorry, 1000, 1300, 1500. So I think SNT is good holding coin. So if you don't have it in portfolio, maybe you should buy about 5% or something for holding. Okay, next one. We have question for Mahmoud Habal. He asking, hello, do you think if BTC Dominance drop, then alt will jump or not? Well, if BTC Dominance will drop, I think altcoin will go up. Let me just show you. We checked BTC Dominance on previous live stream, and we had this chart, bearish Kuiper, or maybe it's a bearish, what the fuck is this? Maybe it's a bearish, well, I don't care. Anyway, it's a harmonic pattern, as I see. We have a descending triangle here. We have breakout from descending triangle, and we have a targets. It's really easy to measure targets from descending triangle. You just need to make this measurement, this high and this low, the base of triangle, and put another line here. And it's about 45, 46% dominance. So if the Bitcoin dominance will drop to this level, it will mean that altcoins will pump. Okay, so I'm going to continue for another coin. Okay, Shajiwan Chavarahan, sorry if I pronounce it wrong, ask it for POI. POI, what the hell is POI? Okay, I'm starting from weekly chart. I advise everybody who watching us right now to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not subscribed yet. Okay, for POI, I'm starting to analyze every coin from mostly from weekly charts and I'm trying to look for good resistance support levels. And let's find support and resistance for POI. I'm starting from resistances here, and the last one here maybe. Next here one, and this one, and last one this. This doesn't matter. Okay, 3D chart. If you don't have 3D charts or something, you just going from weekly, daily, and other. Okay, 3D chart have this one, this. What else? Here one, that one. So yeah, a lot of levels actually, and I think the price is looking nice. Let's find the basic pattern that is dominance here. We have this support, we have this resistance. This is our descending wedge. It's a bullish pattern, so we're going to move up, 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 up. Okay, targets on your screen is about 163, 195, 200, 250, 326. Maybe I will buy this coin as well. Next coin to ask, XRP. XRP, what the hell is XRP? I want to save this POI for next. Sorry, I will save it really fast. Just okay, let's move to XRP. What is going on with XRP? I think nothing changes since a long time. Poloniex have a lot of history for XRP. What is going on here? Nothing changed. So yeah, it's first level to enter is 7,000. Next level to enter 6,600. Another level to enter is 5,000 level or something, and maybe 4,300. Well, I don't really like how looks like XRP right now. At the moment, it has some resistance here, small support here. It is going really weak and painful for holders of XRP. Really strong pain, you know. Anyway, these levels are good levels to hold. Wow, I didn't find this level. Okay, let me check this 7,500 level. Also good. It is good with 7,000 levels, so it's a support range. Maybe it will make some pump from this range. I don't know if big pump or small pump. So yeah, XRP short term, small pump. I don't think that will reverse the price. Just maybe, but not really sure. So I don't want to stop on XRP because not my favorite coin. Okay, next, Aziz Ben Masoud asked about PIVX. Thank you for asking PIVX. It is a really good coin, on my opinion. Well, PIVX have interesting chart. Look at a weekly chart right now. This level of 27,000 is really strong resistance level right now, which we can break. Another support is 14,000 on weekly. Resistances here like 43, or even 50,000, something higher, but not really important. For dynamics resistance, let me find one dynamic resistance here. Wow, price couldn't break from this resistance yet. So well, for PIVX, it is really hard to trade right now because we have a interesting resistance here at 27,000. But if price could make a pump and hold above 27,000, then it will mean that price is bullish. If couldn't make it, then price is bearish. So be sure that you have stop loss for PIVX. Okay. Yeah. So be really careful with PIVX, okay, guys?
But any news, if we saw any news, new news about PIVX, I think it make you very big profits.
Yeah, probably yes, because
short
I
follow
think
up
that,
it, and any news can make a big move.
yeah, bro. I think that PIVX maybe they coding something for the crowd, for they like want to partnership with Apple or something. I don't know. I saw the Twitter with Apple logo. It was a really long time ago, but maybe it will push the price. But as you can see on the RSI, we have a bull flag here on the RSI, and I don't see a reason to drop this price, but there is some resistances which we need to break before enter. For me, as for sure, I don't want to enter below this resistance. But yeah, if the price will break this resistance, it will start to move in below these levels, and it is really strong, actually, really strong trading range. I really like to trade in such things where you actually know where the price will pump. So yeah, if the price will reach above 27,000 level or 28,000 level, and then it will make pump really, really nice. Thank you. And next, okay, what next? Let's go check. Wow, a lot of coins ask it. LRC, what the hell is LRC? LRC, as I remember on Binance, they have a lot of history. Oh, yeah. Already have a chart. Nice. I really like to see this. Yeah, the chart is telling us that we are retested this support, and already hit this target, and we already make a higher low. It is a good signal for traders. So I will probably cancel this strategy and will move this like this. And the targets for LRC is 1,800 and something higher, 2,400. Let me check weekly chart. Oh, well, yeah, weekly chart 3,500. And yeah, this one. 3-day chart. Really pumping coin.
It is good coin to buy, I think, in 1,005. Oh, it make a move in this zone.
Yeah, it is going up.
1,600 under this zone, good to buy, I think, for short and mid.
Maybe it will make a lower high on RSI here to make a divergence.
You remember me to buy now. I forget to buy it.
Yeah. You have to buy it. Maybe tomorrow. Okay. I think the price will make higher high here and make a divergence on RSI, bearish divergence, I mean. And after reaching this level of 3,300, 3,500 something, it will retrace. Maybe. So yeah, it is a good entry right now to have double X profits. I will buy some for sure. QLC, next coin. QLC, wow, what the hell is QLC? Maybe it have better chart here. QLC. Same chart. Daily. Well, it is already moved, so I don't want to enter such things
Okay, bro, I want to enter it, but I need a stop loss if I want to join it because it leveled the accumulation zone and have mainnet after 2 days or 3 days, and there will, I think, maybe there will be airdrop in next 24 hours.
Know what I think yeah, you're right about accumulation phase. It is really broke the accumulation zone. You are right. For accumulation pattern, I think this is a cup and handle pattern. This is probably a cup and handle pattern. Looks really clean and nice. Yeah, this is a really nice pattern. What else? For the targets, I think 1,400, 1,600, 1,800 are possible targets for this coin. But I don't want to enter on this coin at the moment because it does not have a lot of history. RSI is way overbought on these levels. It probably will make some sideways, maybe small sideways here, small, really small sideways, and go up, reach next target, and then probably dump after making some divergences here. So I'm waiting for this on this coin. So yeah, targets 1,400, 1,600, 1,800. Going next. Coin MITH. MITH we will check from this chart. MITH here. MITH real Bitcoin. Wow. Maybe we should start holding this shit. I need weekly chart. Wow, from weekly chart, we have a really shitty candlesticks here. I don't like it. Here, this resistance is pretty strong. Anyway, 3-day chart. Wow, 3D chart have small bullish divergence. Take a look at this, and here, small bullish divergence, but it is bullish divergence. So, well, maybe it is just making sideways action, and after a few weeks or months, it will go up. So it looks like it's making something like bottom. I don't know what exactly a bottom pattern will be, but my target to 2,100 at least. 2,100 at least should be a good target for this coin, and maybe higher, but not sure. No, need really big forces to make it move higher. So 2,000, next 3,000, next 3,800. Wow, really big targets. I don't know how it will reach it, but probably. APPC coin. Let me check APPC. What is going on with APPC? Let me check some questions actually before I will move to APPC. Interesting question from Phoenix News. Higher term question regarding holding altcoins. How strong could alt drop if Bitcoin drop lower to 3,500 or 3K? It is better to buy them after drop of Bitcoin. Let's say when BTC found his low bottom in the months. Well, to answer your question, I will back to total market capitalization chart and show you again that we waiting for this move, and this here. So I still waiting for like a retracement, for another move on the market. Maybe it will make it smaller, maybe bigger. I don't know exactly, but I'm still waiting for retracement because market can go up without retracement. So we need to focus on total capitalization chart, not on BTC price, because BTC price, nothing tells us about the market. But market capitalization chart tells us a lot. So you have to be sure that you check in this chart at least once a week. Back to APPC coin. Okay, weekly chart. Levels 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6. Okay, daily chart. Nice coin, nice chart. Actually, nice chart, really clean cup and handle again. Nice cap and handle here. I think the price can go higher. You see this cap and handle, you take the price, you go up, easy. So yeah, the targets is these levels, to 600, maybe, yeah, to 600, 200, 4,000 something. Yeah, so APPC coin is really, really nice to see in portfolio. Really nice. What next? You guys asked about such many coins. Really strong live stream. I like it. Okay, ADA. Next coin is ADA. I have analysis for ADA. You already know that I have this analysis. I show it a lot of times on our live streams. I show it on the YouTube channel. I show it on TradingView and Telegram. So yeah, this is head and shoulders pattern. Price already broke resistance of this pattern. And what we should expect? Well, we should expect the move of this high. So 48, well, about this level, about 2K. It maybe will reach 1,800 in short term. Maybe in a few days, maybe in a few weeks, but it will probably go up from this period, and it needs to make a complete bearish divergence here. So yeah, the price will make another pump here. So I'm still waiting for this. I have some ADA I sold at 1,600. As a first target, I didn't rebuy because I leave it small position and I still waiting for next target. So 1,800 is my target. Maximum target, what I can expect is about 2,500 or even 3,000, but small probability for this. Or we need bigger sideways reaccumulations phases and something like this. Okay, guys, next coin to check, EDO. What the hell is EDO? EDO, wow, it have, let me check. Well, it is right now on the support range. This one is a support here. It is in a support range, so it will probably make rebound from this level. You can see this range. It is a really strong support for short term, and the price will probably reach what about 2,000, 20,000? I don't know. So yeah, these levels are reachable after this move, I think. Really strong move here, It's about what 20-30% profits you can take. If you're holding from this period, you better sell on these levels. Okay, I'm checking chart right now. What we have also. Did we check BNB? Yes, we checked BNB. Nigmus. We checked BNB already. Phoenix answered my answer for his question. Phoenix News, thanks Artem. Okay, understood. Then it is better to enter out after the retrace of market cap to be sure not to buy now and maybe a higher price. Do you agree? Yes, I agree that the price of market cap, better to for enter big amounts of money, you better to wait for another move from market capitalization. It is really smart to make so. Again, if this accumulation shit, then we will pump harder. I don't know. Anyway, we need to focus on this chart to make any decisions for long-term holding, right? We didn't check Go BTC. We will check it after a minute. Okay, I'm continuing to check in from what you. I'm just scrolling up from the chat and checking what asked it before. Okay, next one. Let's check Icon ICX. Icon here, yeah, we have previous live stream. Oh, not this is not from previous live stream. Sorry, guys. I made this TA maybe yesterday or a few days ago. I think the prices probably have cup and handle pattern here. It is looks like cup and handle, and for me, I still waiting for price going up, maybe 1,000, 1,200. 1,400 is reachable targets, and right now the price on the good support range, and don't be scared if the price will go to the 735 something, then it will probably move sideways and pump. So this is what I think about Icon. Really good buy at the market. Next one, Phoenix, Red Pulse Phoenix. What? Oh, I need to check another HUOBI price. I don't know why I don't have the chart here, but I did the chart on the last live stream for Phoenix.
Check Binance.
No, I made a TA on HUOBI. Yeah, I have it. Yeah, this one. It is pretty messy, but yeah, my analysis here is working, and I'm waiting for price pumping really hard. So maybe it will take some time, maybe months, to complete this move, you know, but it is probably a really strong pumper on the market. So I still wait for Phoenix coin to pump. Phoenix, this is your ICO, right? No.
Sorry, I didn't hear you, bro.
I asked it. This is it is you launched this coin, right? Yeah, I know this. So it will pump. Okay, next to check Stratis. Let's check Stratis. We had a long time to not check in Stratis. Strat from Poloniex have a lot of history. Okay, Stratis, Poloniex, maybe BitMAX, same chart. What else? Binance, Bittrex, BitHump, BTC. Oh, fuck. Just trying to find better history. Okay, let it be Poloniex. Okay. So for me, this coin is fuck. What the hell? STRAT. It should have better history. Why so small history? Anyway, sorry. Okay, on 3D chart, we can see big bullish divergence. So I think the price is bullish. Next target for 41, maybe 36, something like this. If break this level, then go higher, 77, 60, 50. Some good supports here. And this range. So, oh, well, yeah, it is really good enter on this. Really nice entry right now for strategies. It is really good to have this coin on your portfolio at the moment because of this price action, you know. Phoenix, what do you think?
It's a trade good for
Yeah.
more there.
Because we traded strategies before, and I think we have to trade what we know, what we learned from the past, you know.
Yes.
Okay, for strategies, targets are really strong. I think it is good buy 49, 100, 160, something like this. Nice. I'm going to buy it. Okay, STRAT. Next coin to check, guys. You asked a lot of coins today.
It is good.
Ran.
We make review for market too for ourselves.
Yeah, all market we're gonna check today.
Sometimes I forget many coins.
Yeah, I do this every morning actually. No, guys, for RAN, I don't see a lot of history. Maybe we'll check from coin signals. Much better. Hard to say for sure that is good or not. Maybe. It's strange that the price can break this level. So I don't trust it. Anyway, it is probably accumulation phase here, really big accumulation. I don't know why it's so volatile, but anyway, we can make breakout from this level and the price will hit harder, higher levels like 93 and 90, something like this. And I don't see any patterns here at the moment. Maybe 12-hour chart. No. Well, I don't like such things because it is really hard to analyze it is good or not, because there is no real pattern.
But many coins had the same chart last days and make a big move. Same
Well,
chart.
yeah, it maybe will probably retest these levels 59, 57, and go up maybe, but I don't like to trade them, so I'm trying to make the TA for you guys, so it is not really clear for me, but you know, what the hell is going on? It's going, why it's pumping? But yeah, after hitting support range of these levels, you can buy, you know, because it is a really strong support range. So if you see the price in this range, buy, sell some profit. Let's move next. What we need to check? RVM.
Check ICX, look good.
Bro, I checked it a few minutes ago.
Oh, I don't see it.
Not good. It is good. I shared it with UTA yesterday or a few days ago. It is really good. Well, what the hell is Raven Coin? Never buy such things. Never buy such things. Only sell such things. Never buy them. It is really, really stupid to enter this thing. Okay? Who watching this right now, don't buy Raven Coin. Okay? God damn, so many coins. Oh. What else? Guys who watching us right now, what are you doing? Hit thumbs up. Let's go ENG. ENG Enigma from BitMAX weekly chart. Nice looking chart. Well, what is going on here? Price couldn't break resistance. Next resistance about 25,000. Maybe something lower to 19. So the price couldn't break these resistances. Classic chart for altcoins this year. The bullish divergence on the 3-day chart. And what a pattern here. It looks like I'm just trying to figure out what the pattern is. Yeah, this is a head and shoulders pattern, I think. You know, this looks like head and shoulders. So yeah, the price is already reaching targets for head and shoulders. So I don't think you have to trade it, but maybe have some opportunities here to make another higher high and complete divergence on RSI, you know, to go down. So yeah, it is a probability here. So I don't see the reason for, well, it could make a big move, like 80% up. So yeah, you can take a trade 30,000, 10,000 something, and sell 19 or even 25, 23,000 Satoshis. It is a really nice target. So yeah, ENG is still good. VIB, well, let's go VIB. VIB. Poloniex, BitMAX, maybe BitMAX. Yeah, VIB, same chart. VIB, same chart to ENG. they moving in a similar way.
VIP hit all our target. I don't
Yeah.
think.
You know what? Let me check the daily chart to confirm. It can make like another, go up and small pump, complete divergence, go down. Something like this. Oh, sorry. This. Maybe. So for me, I always forget such coins. If they hit all the targets for holding, I just sell and forget. I don't re-enter them. But maybe in some period, is you have here the range, the support range, and if the price will reach these ranges, you can buy again, to make some profits. So yeah, VIB is not really good to enter. EVX. Everybody talking about overpriced tokens. Yeah. So EVX, it is reached all my targets for this coin. I don't think it is good to trade. You can see the classic again. This divergence. Hit the targets, hit the resistances. It may go in the sideways below these levels. So I don't interested in sideways. I'm not interested in sideways, so I don't recommend to trade such things. It is not really interesting to trade retracements. It's hard to make it. S&T, check it. KNC, let's go check KNC. Wow, it's a lot of coins today. Check it. I already tired from this, and it is really it is about a night already, so I have to leave the live stream. So I think KNC and maybe 2 coins more. Let's go check. Right now, we're going to check KNC. After KNC, we're going to check. We're going to check what else? Nano. And what else? And let's go check Storm after this, okay? Sorry. Okay, KNC looking good chart. I see the price is retraced, going to the support range right now. We're testing this support range, and the targets is like 12,800 something, 12,000, 10,000, 16,000. It's really good targets for this coin. Let's check 12-hour chart. No divergences, nothing. So yeah, it will probably pump pretty soon. I think the price is just reaccumulating here. In such things, it will go up. It is it looks like what we checked today. A few coins like S&T, for example. S&T have the similar setup, like a big head and shoulders. So I think it will moon soon. So you can buy Kyber Network as well. Phoenix, what else I said to check? Nano. Nano BTC. Maybe it have better chart here. Yeah. Oh, wow. Wow. Nice chart. Wow. From early 2017. All right. This is good. What we have here, the price is just trying to retest support range here. I don't know will it hold or not. This support is crazy. You know, in the smaller patterns are bullish. You can see bullish wedge. This nice bullish clean pattern, and I think price is reaccumulating here in a cup and handle model. No. Really nice to see this. I will probably buy some nano right now. My targets will be simple: 27, 31, 36, maybe something more. I don't know, but I will close my position in this range for sure. Yeah, and goodbye here. And I said that I will check as well today. Go BTC as well. I will check Go, and we will go. Go BTC. Okay, I have a chart for this on my TradingView page. I tell you this is a cup and handle chart. It looks like cup and handle, or it looks like you know, head and shoulders. So anyway, it is bullish. I actually don't hold GO, but I think to buy it after breakout. And the support range here is really, really good. And we have to take profits at 79, 89 or something. So yeah, this is my strategy for GO. Yeah, it is matches with Fibonacci as well, 76, 84, 93. So yeah, GO is a good buy for the market. And I want to say, guys, if you're watching us right now, hit thumbs up. We checked a lot of coins today. It is really big live stream today. Thank you everybody who attended us today. Thank you, Phoenix. Thank you, Mike Bitcoin Wizard. And guys, I will post in our Telegram group, and I will post a content list of this live stream below the video in first commentary. So stay tuned to our channel, hit subscribe, and hit the bell near subscribe button to get notification about next video. And of course, hit thumbs up if you like this video. If you don't like this video, okay, hit thumbs down. I don't care. Just show that you're live. If you like our video, let me know how to improve it. Hit me up in Telegram or in below this video in comment section. What do you want to see on next live stream? How do you want to improve it? And if you want to be our guest on next live stream, let me know, and I will invite you as a guest in our live stream on next weekend. So thank you for watching us. Stay profitable, and goodbye.
Thank you, bro. Thank for all members. See you next week. See you.